Here we got a 2020 Ram Quad Cab Laramie, 18,000 mile, one owner with a clean Carfax in gray. Laramie, top of the line here with Ram, and a lot of amenities, good style, good look to this vehicle. I'm going to start by explaining, it does have the new body style. 2020, they all did. In 19, you could get the classic or the new body style. Of course, this is the new body style. Remade in 19 and looks good with the new upgraded grille, headlamps, high intensity with smoked lens. Also had the LED fog lights there in the lower bumper fascia. Continue around to the side, Goodyear Wranglers all the way around, 3/4 tread or so. See a multi-spoke alloy wheel, a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. So one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive, do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles, find the results of that inspection signed off by the technician that performed it, the glove box of our cars. You know right away when you look inside the cabin area, it is a Laramie. Obviously, we got the big badge there on the dash. Got the embroidery in the seat, two-tone leather and suede with the gray piping, full power seat including lumbar, full console in between. Really a good looking interior here, a little bit of synthetic wood grain in the door, but definitely can tell you're in the top level trim. I'll go ahead and open this up to show you we do have all the books, and I want to show you the report that I spoke of. See, front tires are 9, rears are 10s, and new tires 10 to 12 32nds. So like new tires, like brand new brakes all the way around. We really do try to recondition these used vehicles to like new standards. It's what we're all about. Want to give you a new car fit, feel, and finish at a used car price. We do not skimp on reconditioning, even in this day where everybody tries to be the lowest price on the internet. Sometimes you don't even get a good wash job, let alone to the extent that we recondition our vehicles. So we look in through the back, you can see very ample leg, hip, and shoulder room. Even though it's a quad cab, you got enough space back there. And on this console, you can see all kinds of connectivity. You do have a little wood grain there. Got the power supply, mini and regular size USB ports, and the louvers flow through full console. Helps keep your rear occupants connected. You do have the larger bed with the half cab, which is nice. And then, like I say, all the tires match. Zero rust on the frame rail, as you can see there. Continue around to the back. See the dual exhaust on the chrome bumper with the Class 3 hitch. We do have the integrated 4-way flat, 7-way wiring. We do have the backup camera there. See drop-in rugged liner. Continue around to the other side, showing you all the tires are Goodyears. Give you a shot of that frame rail. No rust on the undercarriage of this truck. Very clean interior, no rips, tear, stains, or odors. Previous owner was a non-smoker. Do have the ability to lock it, unlock, as you can see the puddle lights flash with the push of that button. I also have full power seat including lumbar on the driver's side. We do always offer 2 sets of keys. You can see it is equipped with a factory remote start on these 2 proxies. We do have memory seating as well, programmable to 2 driver settings integrated into the key fob. Also have your locks, your windows, and your mirrors. Jump in, start truck up, 18,463 miles, good miles. Does have the automatic headlamp control here with the push button for the fogs and the cargo light. Dimmer here for your interior and dash. Power pedals down below with the electronic emergency brake. Intermittent wiper washers here on the left, high beams and turn signals. We do have your control pad for your fully customizable center dash. Cruise control, ability to select any of the gears of the multi-speed transmission. We do have your Bluetooth controls here as well. Large touch screen AM FM satellite radio. Like I said, all different ways to connect media, USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. Do have your dual climate control here with heated seats, cooled seats, and heated steering wheel. Downloadable customizable apps, Apple CarPlay, Android Audio. See all the buttons there for your heated, cooled seats and wheel. Ability, of course, to pair your phone and then all your vehicle and radio settings. Analog controls down below with push buttons for the heated, cooled seats and wheel as well. Your climate sliders for your passenger and driver. We do have your ability to shut off your traction control, your tow haul, and more connectivity up front here for the driver and passenger. Dial shifter here for your automatic shift, and like I said, you use these buttons to select any of the gears. We also have push button 4-wheel drive. 2 large cup holders, console in between, very, very deep. So you have a lot of room there. to put in really whatever you'd like. We do have power sliding rear window glass. We do have LED map lights, and we do have illuminated visors both on the driver's side and the passenger. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath the hood. This vehicle is equipped with a 5.7 liter Hemi engine. Hood release is right there. Of course, you know it's got a Hemi in it. To put the badge right there on the hood. Tried and true, been used for a long time. Quiet, no exhaust leaks, fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminals. Very well maintained. All your essential fill and checkpoints denoted with the yellow dipstick handles and caps. Makes it easy even for a novice to stay on top of their fluid maintenance there. Okay, so just to recap, like new tires, all new brakes all the way around, one owner, clean Carfax. Don't know if I showed that to you guys or not. If I did, my apologies for the duplication. See, no accidents, one owner, well-maintained vehicle. So now let's just go ahead and do the last part of the video, which is our cosmetic walk around. Show you any minor imperfections this vehicle may have, but otherwise make it less than perfect. We do our very best to recondition these to like new standards, like I said before, both cosmetically and mechanically. Right there is probably the worst damage, a little dent and scratch right back by the window glass. When I walked around the first time, that was about the only thing I really noticed outside of a few stone chips. Tailgate and bedside is good on this. A couple little scratches here on the tailgate. Typically in a truck, and obviously the bed cap cover has some scratches, but that's what it's there for, rail caps as well. But typically your damage on a truck is going to be in the bed area. Obviously people do use trucks to haul, and so, you know, if you're going to get any, that's typically where it is. And tailgate there pretty much has the only damage on this one. The doors, well, the passenger side fenders, bed sides look really good. If I was taller, I'd show you the roof, but the roof looked good. Couple little stone chips here across the painted portion of this, the bumper corners, and then I believe there was a chip or scratch or two. Not too bad though, really, on this hood, but definitely a like new alternative, guys. Does still have the remainder of Ram's comprehensive and powertrain warranties transferable to the next owner, so you can buy with confidence. If you're interested, a few ways of getting a hold of us. Come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Give us a call at area code 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or shop 24/7 online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.